Hey Jojo, what have you got? Hiccups? Jolie?
Hopla. Hopla. It's a terrible case of hiccups, Jolie. From eating too many drops of Jinx, I think. Being a bit greedy in the morning. Yeah. Gorging yourself on left breasty dumpling. Followed by dessert of right breasty dumpling. Oh, and that pooped. Oh.
Oh, finish it off with a milky puke. Oh, sorry, sweetheart, I'm only teasing you.
Yeah. Daddy's cruel. I'm making fun of my bodily functions. Oh, that was a big hiccup.
Look at how long you are, Jolie.
I'm very long. Your raised eyebrows. Am I? Am I that long? Is this true? Is this not some kind of a myth?
You funny little bean.
Oopsie. Oh.
Hoopla.
Squeeze out poop. Go on. Big one.